another great morning here in the Philippines. I'm like a regular scooter guy out here, you know. I'm like regular, you know, scooting along. So it's a good time. So today we're doing absolutely nothing. So I don't know what I have in store for you. So we'll see what happens. Then I guess that's the only way to get in. To be forced in. It's so cold today. Really cold. Jeb's over there, Christian's over there. It's a little cold. I might go in still. I still might go in. That's why I can't fly, because there's an airport right there, so I can't fly it around here. I'll have to show you the top of the house and stuff, which is all right. I flew around at this new place today where there's like a bunch of swimming pools that were made by the, I don't know. I mean, it was half man-made, half not. But other than that, we're going right into town here. So nice. They're so friendly here, you know. You know, I never mentioned the weather here. The weather's been like 86 every single day. Usually rains around the evening time. Today it looks like it's gonna hold up. Today is Saturday. Yeah, I haven't even told even what days I'm vlogging on. But yeah, today's Saturday. Tomorrow, probably, I'm not sure what we're gonna do. I'm sure we'll do something. Then Monday, we're off to Cebu. Cebu is back to Cebu. We're staying at a resort there for like 2 days or 3 days, and then back to LA. There's where my wife went to school. Looks abandoned, Plank, or looks like I could explore it, like, because it's been so empty for so long, babe. Yeah. Anyways, that's where I guess my wife went to school to come to America. Alright, so I've been walking. It's getting dark, so I better head back. It's really tough to find a tricycle back, but trying to find some coconuts. Coconuts would be great, but I don't think I'm gonna see any. So I guess I'm just going to walk home and call it a night. It's a short video today. I'm sure I'll have more to come, but hopefully I can get a tricycle home, because I think I'm a mile away. Make sure you wear your helmet here in the Philippines. Crashes like that happen all the time.